Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the lagging issue when you're trying to play Roblox on your Chromebook. Let's begin. First, I want you to open Roblox, play any game. So I have in here, please donate. Then I want you to access the settings over here. Click on the settings tab. Scroll down until you see the graphics settings. So let me just check over here, graphics mode. By default, this would be automatic. Just click on the arrow keys, set it to manual. Then the graphics quality, make sure it is lowest as it can be, right? So 1 bar should be the lowest. Once done, you can now resume to your game or minimize Roblox. Double check that your Chrome OS is actually up to date. So you can click on your Windows Start button, look up for settings, and click on About OS. It will show you if your system is currently up to date. If yes, then proceed and open your favorite browser. I have Chrome. Click on the three dots, click on Delete Browsing Data, and then over here, ensure that browsing history, cookies, and cache are selected. Click on delete. Make sure it is more than 4 weeks or selected all time. Then the final step, I want you to go to this website or I want you to type this in Chrome semicolon slash flags. All right. Then on the search bar, I want you to look for override software rendering list. Make sure this is set to enabled and also smooth scrolling. It is also enabled. Then GPU rasterization, it should also be enabled. And once done, you can now close this window, go back to your Roblox, restart the game. Everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.